Christmas Eve, everybody. Tomorrow is the big day. We can't wait. I am so excited. Yesterday, Sean and I celebrated my birthday. Hi, girl. Hi. Yesterday, Sean and I celebrated my birthday, and it was such an amazing day. So unforgettable. Get your tail out of here. Sean had planned events all day long, was super secretive. We started off the day at a day spa and had an amazing couples massage. And then we went and had lunch at the Cheesecake Factory. And then after that, we went home and hung out with our hot dogs right here. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Are you ready for Christmas? And then we went to dinner at Del Frisco's, and it was absolutely amazing. That place is so good. It doesn't matter what you order on the menu. It's always on point. And then we did something super exciting. He really hit the ball out of the park with this one.
The cupcakes?
Oh, the cupcakes. Yes, the cupcakes. You'll see me eat a cupcake in a minute. I'm not going to talk to you about any of the things that he had planned any longer. I'm just going to let you watch our experience. I'm gonna insert that clip in right now. All right, so for lunch, Sean got the spicy chicken burger with some fries and some yummy sauce. Is that honey mustard?
Chipotle mayo.
Chipotle mayo, yeah. And then a nice refreshing beer. And then I got the lemon garlic shrimp pasta with a skinny coffee. And of course we had to get the tuxedo cheesecake. Here's my birthday present. Sean did so good. We're at Del Frisco's right now. Sean is drinking a yummy old fashioned. I tried it and I'm improving it. And I'm drinking a nice Prosecco, waiting on our crab cakes. We'll see you in a few. Hello.
My Taylor Tots.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside, and all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight.
That was totally unexpected. He totally surprised me. I am obsessed with airplanes. I don't know if many of you guys know, but maybe I was a pilot in my past life or something, but I just love to watch them take off and land, and sometimes Sean and I will go to the airport and just sit in our car and watch these planes take off. And we live by a local airport, and a lot of times we try to drive by and catch a plane as it's, you know, taking off or landing, and it's just, they're just so beautiful. So to be able to walk on the runway that we stare at all the time, it was just amazing. So we definitely recommend, towards the end of this video, I will get the card from Sean. If you live locally, I highly recommend it. We took that helicopter ride and it was beautiful, and definitely well worth it.
Epic helicopters or epic tours or something.
Okay, so it's Epic Helicopters, Epic Tours. I'll link their website in the description box below, but it was amazing. So on top of all of that, I'm actually gonna switch you guys to a different camera because Sean, for my birthday, got me the Canon G7X Mark II, and I am absolutely obsessed. This is gonna make vlogging so much easier. I have seen so many vloggers use this camera, and I know that this is the best of the best. So I'm so excited to use it. I'm gonna switch you over right now, but first let me show you what I am eating to try to get back on track, because yesterday we ate like kings and I'm paying for it today. All right, so I made us some Kodiak protein pancakes. I put some cinnamon on there with some blueberries and some now melted dairy-free whipped cream with sugar-free maple syrup. And then I have egg whites with spinach and some hot sauce on it. So I'm not really sure if these two things are gonna go together, but I definitely need something in my system to soak up all the drinks. Talk to you guys in a few. All right, so it is much later in the day. We are about to head over to my mom's house for some Christmas festivities. I'm using my Canon camera and I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed. And that's Bay, and he is about to cut down his advent calendar. Let's see here. Okay.
All right, so for 23.
23.
Ooh.
Undies!
All right.
Undies! Hey, you wanna know something funny? When I was making your DIY advent calendar and teaching people how to do it, that was the example that I used.
Great.
Everybody knew you got undies. All right, and his last present of the advent calendar.
Ooh. Nice.
Yeah, how nice is that?
That's great.
Is it the right size?
Yeah, that should work.
Mister, we're gonna miss you so much, okay? But we're gonna be back soon, I promise, okay? We're gonna be back soon, I promise, I promise. All right, Sean's working the camera back there, my main camera guy. For my OOTD, my outfit of the day, this is the Shop Priceless skirt that I showed you guys a few hauls ago, along with a Pretty Little Thing bodysuit. I do have a spandexy spaghetti strap underneath just because this is severely see-through. And then I have my Pretty Little Thing booties to go with it, so it's gonna be super cute. But I haven't broken these in yet, and I think I picked the worst day to break them in. So I've got my backup shoes just in case. And my big socks, but that's okay. That's all right. All right, we'll see you guys on the way. Hopefully at Starbucks if we have time.
Hey, you know, people get it, but not moving.
Sit. Let's go, babies. Okay. Zizi. Here, Mimi. And me. Everybody. Come here. Hey, me. Hey, me. What is it?
Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree.
Oh, look at the toy. She's got. Oh, look at the toy. Look at the toy. Look at the toy. You have to go cut it for them. Oh, she's gone.
She's gone.
Zizi, you have more.
Zoe, come back.
You have more, Mama.
Guaranteed. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight.
Oh, is that just me? Hey, Mimi, look at that. Look at that one. Look at that, me. Are you taking it? You leaving? Okay, bye. Hey, everybody gets treats. Everybody gets treats. You guys were sniffing these out, but you didn't know what they were. All right, everybody. You sit. Sit. Merry Christmas, Mama. Merry Christmas, me. I like to film you. You're a celebrity.
Oh, these are those glasses, huh?
I'm sorry.
Read this first.
What does it say?
It just gives you
Like tells you how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It says to go outside and do it.
Okay.
Let's see if I can put them on. Alright, please.
Yeah.
Go ahead. It may take a few minutes to work.
And the shine, she must be divine. What a night, what a sight. Ring the bells loud and clear. Have the reindeers reappear. Take my hand, you promised land. Here we go.